What is quadrupedal locomotion? It is the preferred movement design for mobile robots that push boundaries. Quadrupedal locomotion is the movement system where a robot travels using 4 actuators or legs. This design, replicated from nature, has become the most stable and efficient way for robotic systems to operate outside of controlled factory environments. Its main advantage is the inherent stability of its design. Unlike wheels or tracks, the 4 legs allow the robot to maintain a safe center of gravity even on uneven terrain or when dealing with lateral impacts. This gives it an unparalleled ability to overcome obstacles, climb stairs, and navigate rubble. To optimize efficiency and speed, engineers program diverse gait patterns that act as control algorithms, from the methodical walk for maximum stability to the dynamic trot for fast movement. This technology is the holy grail of field robotics. Systems like Unitary Stellar Explorer are increasingly used in industrial inspection, search and rescue, and logistics in unpaved warehouses. Currently, the biggest challenge lies in the control software. Cutting-edge research focuses on artificial intelligence and reinforcement learning so that these robots can develop real-time adaptation. The goal is for them to feel the terrain, whether it's mud, snow, or gravel, and instantly adjust their steps and balance without human intervention, pushing robot robustness to an unprecedented level. Quadrupedal locomotion is, in essence, the key for robotics to conquer the most complex environments in our world.